Good afternoon, pond lovers. How are we all doing? Do you like my new spec? But yeah, different background today. We're at a lovely pond. This is Phil's pond from the Peterborough Koi Club. But I'm going to start this video a bit different today because I'm stood next to the filter house. So we'll have a quick look in there because I've never seen a filter system like this before. Let's have a look. So I'm not exactly sure how it all works in here. I did ask, but it's all very technical. So we've got 3 or 4 air pumps on and working, and the water comes up this area and we go through a vortex, through a sieve, from that up into this absolute, I'm going to have to zoom out a bit, this humongous beady type filter, but it's an American filter and it's a self-cleaning bead. It has got a specific name but I can't remember what it's called. From that it then goes through 2 moving bed barrels, and you can see a tempest on the wall, but that's because we've got a separate line coming from the skimmer through another sieve and then up through the tempest. So an absolutely beast of a filter system. I mean, that thing, I could stand in that. That is absolutely huge. It's not doing it justice on camera because of where the tempest is sat next to the door, but I assure you it is massive. But as I was saying, that's not the only filter that this pond has. In fact, I'm going to walk around the other side of the pond to show you. So yeah, getting around to the other side of the pond, this is the best bit of the filter system. I absolutely love this. Watch this, look. Water is pumped up here, and all this here is a bog. And it returns to the pond over there. But check out this pond. It's a little bit cloudy at the minute because Phil just gave them a really big feed before all the guys from the Koi Club left, but you've got skimmer over there, air stones stopping the food going down at the minute. But look at these fish, guys. Absolutely amazing. It's I'm going to have to zoom out again. It's a big sort of figure of 8 kind of kidney shape kind of thing. Figure of 8 I think is the snowman shape. It's really wide over there, narrow here, and then a fair bit wide again over here. But the copings are off at the minute because he is going through some changes over the next year or 2. He is getting rid of this pond, even though I absolutely love it, but it's starting to leak in several places. So what he's doing, rather than fixing it, because there's a few things he wanted to change, what he's doing, he's got a lovely big area over here. He's going to build a brand new pond over there, and then once that pond's finished, he'll just transfer all the fish and water from this pond to that pond. But yeah, absolutely crack. I mean, look at that bog. That is absolutely huge. I mean, there are a couple of big giant fish in here. It's about 4 foot deep this end, and then about 6 foot deep that end, because that's where the bottom drain is. And say it's, oh, there's one of the big fish over there. Over there, look. Probably around 70 cm ish. Yeah, absolutely cracking setup, and I'm getting absolutely soaked. That's why everyone's just left and started to make their way home because of the weather. But yeah, absolutely love it. I hope he does something similar and we get invited back. But absolutely brilliant. Just walking through the garden. It's a really long, lovely garden. Lots and lots of fruit trees and growing things. But as you can see, the pond's behind me now. But going down this way, there's a greenhouse. And inside this greenhouse is a few more koi. Ow, I hit my head on that on the way in last time. Yeah, I didn't bring my polarizer today, so you're not going to see them very well. So as you can see, they grow on after my own heart, very well stocked. So it's one of them big sort of shop vats with the filtery box thing on the back, and it's got tempest and lots of air and everything, so all well filtered. It's a bit cloudy and quite a few fish, so I don't know how many's in there. I did ask the question, he doesn't know either. Man after my own heart. But yeah, lots and lots of fishies growing on in there. What he's going to do with them all, I don't know, because his main pond's quite well stocked as well. But with the filter that he's got, as you all saw, plenty of filter. Let's have a look at the pond from the back end. It's quite a long pond, as you can see. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful water return there. Absolutely brilliant. Obviously it's netted to stop the predators and whatnot. Obviously this net's been there a long time because you can see the algae growing on it. Better to be safe than sorry. Keep them predators away from the babies. Beautiful. So thank you, Phil, for having us all. It's quite a good turnout today. I mean, this pond's a good 45-minute drive from Peterborough. So yeah, we had a fantastic turnout considering. Not our furthest member away, but still a fair drive. But we've all enjoyed ourselves, and I will catch you on the next one.